Hello, I'm Alex from MovinsEdition. Let me introduce an item from the MovinsEdition series, S.Carpe brand's Wingtip Oxford shoes. There may be many designs on shoes. The wingtip design is a shoe that every man should have. Full brogues or wingtips have a pointed toe cap that extends along both sides of the shoe and usually ends near the ball of the foot. When seen from above, the cap is shaped like a W or M depending on the viewpoint. It features broguing along its edges as well as decorative broguing in the center of the toe cap, which is called a medallion. There are a few variations to this style. Spectator shoes are full brogues or wingtips into contrasting colors. Usually, the toe and heel caps and sometimes the lace panels are in a darker color than the main body of the shoe. A brogue that features a wingtip toe cap with broguing only along the edges and no medallion are called blind brogues. Long wing brogues differ from full brogues or wingtips in that the wings of the wingtip wrap around the full length of the shoe and meet at a center seam at the heel. Sometimes they are referred to as English brogues in the US and as American brogues in the UK. Most of the time longwing brogues are made as a derby, but Oxford longwing brogues exist. It's a new product owned by MovinsEdition and it's a premium handmade wingtip Oxford shoe. It's a handmade premium model. This was a new product owned by MovinsEdition, and it was S.Carpe brand Wingtip Oxford. As you can see, this model is a new product that is hard to find both at home and abroad, and it is handmade Wingtip Oxford shoes. Bye.